So what we want to do now is talk about cells, and we want to talk about the two major different types, and that's prokaryotic versus eukaryotic. The word kary, K-A-R-Y, actually means nut. And so when they were first looking at these under early microscopes, they thought they looked like a nut inside. So pro means before. So the nut would actually be the nucleus. And so prokaryotic cells are pre-nut, they don't have a nucleus. And then eukaryotes, EU means true, so true nuts, so they actually do have a nucleus. So what I want to do real quick is go through some of these structures and make sure that we know what they are. Fimbriae are little finger-like projections. These usually are used for attachment. Here you can see they have a nucleoid region. And it's not a nucleus. There is no nuclear membrane around it, so it's just the area that holds the DNA. Prokaryotic cells, for the most part, have a single circular chromosome. So that is in that nucleoid region. Then you're going to see some ribosomes, and I mentioned the ribosomes are necessary for protein production. You have the plasma membrane that is separating the living from the non-living. You have, in most of them, not all, but most prokaryotic cells have a cell wall. And the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan is I believe I put that in one of the earliest lectures. Different than like a fungus with chitin. Then we have some have, not all, but some have glycocalyx. On the outside of the cell wall is proteins that are sticky. I think glyco is sugar. If you spill sugar, it's sticky. So this helps these stick to each other and other things. And then some will have flagella, not all again, but flagella is used for movement. And these flagella are structurally different than the flagella you would see in eukaryotic cells. Their internal structure, which we could talk about later, is slightly different. All right, let's look at some eukaryotic cells. Again, EU means true. So here is basically what I said. So just to let you know. And then here's a eukaryotic cell. This one would be considered to be an animal cell in theory. And then we have another one that would be a plant cell. Although there are other types of cells, eukaryotic cells are eukaryotic cells, but there are some that are protists that are neither plant or animal. And then obviously fungus also is a eukaryotic cell. But typically in elementary school, they teach you plant and animal cells. Which makes it sound like they are quite a bit different. They do have some different structures, and we will talk about the differences toward the end of this lecture. All right, and that will do it for this one.